Hello pen testers, this is Puneet Darji back again with another CVE video, and in this video we are going to cover GeoServer vulnerability. So in 2023 I have already covered the GeoServer SQL injection vulnerability, but those who don't know about the GeoServer, so GeoServer is an open source software server written in Java that provides the ability to view, edit and share the geospatial data. So it is designed to be flexible, efficient solution for the distributing geospatial data from the variety of sources such as Geographic Information System or GIS databases, web-based database, and the personal data sets. So in GeoServer version prior to 2.5.1, 2.24.3 and 2.23.5 of GeoServer, multiple OGC request parameter allow to RCE or remote code execution vulnerability by unauthenticated users through the special crafted input against the default GeoServer installation. This vulnerability is due to unsafely evaluating the priority names as an XPath expression. So let's move on to the practical so you will get the better understanding. So I have done the setup on my local machine. So as you can see, the IP address, the private IP address, and here the port number that I have mentioned. So let's capture the request. So here just interception on and refresh. So just first request I am sending to repeater. Let me turn off the interception. And here I am going to pass the WFS request with the post method. GeoServer WFS. You can use the get method or you can use the post method based on your choice. But I am using the post method. And here the payload. So I will provide the payload link in description box, or you can check out my GitHub repo for this payload. So here the method, and here the payload, the main payload, the execution Java language runtime, and here we have passed the wget post file etc pass wd, and here I have passed the web collaborator. Let me create new collaborator for the better understanding. So here I am passing the new collaborator and send the request. So here you can see 400 bad request, and here you can see the error. Let's the check poll now. So here we get the detail, and here our payload is executed and we get the etc pass wd file. So this is all about the vulnerability. You can check out the for the payload you can check out my GitHub repository. I will provide the link in description box. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then share with your InfoSec friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.